Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Temple Wallet mobile application on your iPhone. So here's how you can easily do it. First of all, open your App Store and get to the search box and type in Temple Wallet. Temple Wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet specifically designed for the Tezos blockchain. Simply tap on the Get button to begin downloading the wallet on your preferred device. Wait for the application to download and install, which will only take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the app is downloaded and installed, tap on Open to open the app on your iPhone. And that's how easily you can download Temple Wallet mobile application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.